In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap tokens with UniSwap. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from one token to another confidently and safely. Start by opening your browser and heading to app.uniswap.org. Make sure the URL is correct so you're on the official site. If you use a crypto wallet, connect it now and confirm you're on the right network for the tokens you plan to trade. You'll also want a little native currency like ETH on Ethereum to cover gas fees. From the Uniswap homepage, click Trade to open the trading tools. Then choose Swap. This brings up the simple swap interface with two fields stacked vertically. In the top field labeled Sell or From, you'll pick the token you want to exchange out of. Click the token icon to open the selector. You can search by token name, and if you're dealing with a less common asset, you can paste its contract address. Always double check you're selecting the official token to avoid imposters. Next, type the amount you want to sell. As you enter a number, Uniswap will calculate a live estimate of the amount you'll receive based on current liquidity and prices. If the estimate looks off, confirm your network and consider market volatility. Now move to the bottom field, labeled Buy or To. Click its token icon and select the token you want to receive. Once selected, you can either keep your original sell amount or, if you prefer, type the exact amount you want to receive and let Uniswap back calculate how much you'll need to sell. The interface will show the price, route, and any fees embedded in the trade. Before you proceed, review the details. Click the gear icon if you need to adjust slippage tolerance, especially for volatile or low liquidity tokens. A tighter slippage reduces the chance of an unfavorable fill, but may cause the swap to fail if the price moves too much. Also check that you have enough balance to cover both the swap and gas. When everything looks good, click Swap. A confirmation window will summarize the trade, including minimum received after slippage. Confirm to proceed. Your wallet will prompt you to authorize the transaction and pay the gas fee. Some tokens may require a one-time permission before the first swap. If you see that prompt, approve it, then confirm the swap. Wait a moment while the transaction is mined. Once confirmed, your new tokens will appear in your wallet. If they don't show automatically, add the tokens contract to your wallet for visibility. That's it, your token swap on Uniswap is complete.